The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 8. Praises of King Yama and his followers. We will instruct the smaller ghosts, each of whom has great power, as well as the earth spirits, to protect such people. Bad situations, accidents, severe or unexpected illnesses, and all other unwelcome events will not even come near their residences or other places they may be, much less enter the door. The Buddha praised the ghost kings. Excellent, excellent, that all of you ghost kings join Lord Yama in protecting good men and women in that way. I shall tell Lord Brahma and Lord Shakra to see that you are protected as well. When that was said, a ghost king in the assembly named Lord of Life said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, my karmic conditions are such that I have jurisdiction over the lifespans of people in Jambudvipa, governing both the time of their births and their deaths. My fundamental vows are based on a great desire to benefit them, but people do not understand my intent and go through birth and death in distress. Why is that? When women in Jambudvipa have just born children, be they boys or girls, or when they are just about to give birth, good deeds should be done to increase the benefits of the household, thus causing the local earth spirits to be immeasurably pleased. The spirits will then protect the mother and child, so that they experience peace and happiness. They will bring benefit to the entire family. After the birth, all killing for the purpose of offering fresh meat to the mother should be carefully avoided, as should parties that involve consumption of alcohol, eating of meat, singing, and playing musical instruments. All these things can keep the mother and child from being peaceful and happy. Why is that? At the difficult time of birth, uncountable evil ghosts, including mountain sprites, goblins, and spirit beings, desire to eat the strong-smelling blood. I quickly order the local earth spirits of that household to protect the mother and child, allowing them to be peaceful and happy, and to receive other benefits. When people in such households witness those benefits, they should do meritorious deeds to express their gratitude to the earth spirits. If instead they harm and kill and have big parties involving feasting and entertainment, then the retributions that result from such offenses will be borne by they themselves, and will bring harm to the mother and child as well.